Oakville's roof is like this, right? And then there's this flat portion on top which has this, it's like, it sort of comes up like this, and then there's this, what do you call it?
Flat place.
Flat place on top of the roof.
The roof
But
ridge.
it's all tin. It's all tin. Right?
Tin.
So this langur is coming along. Man, he's looking at me. He decides, chalo, let's check this guy out. And he decides to sit down on that flat. What he forgets is scientific thing, na? Momentum. So this guy comes along, very regal, and he sits down. But he still keeps moving. He's sitting, but he's moving. Halfway across this room. He's got this very regal expression. All of a sudden you realize that he's moving. And he got to the end of this flat thing. And he went down the other side of this room. And I was like, I dropped my hookah and bus. I was laughing at Jack. What a fool, And he came around the other side, where the kitchen is, the main house kitchen. He was like looking at me. He was like, it's my fault. But the second to second expression changes on that langur was just doing. He suddenly found he was still moving, He had sat down, but he was still moving. That was in Lendo Bazaar. The first time I've seen a monkey taking a bath. Have you ever seen taking a bath? It's crazy. There was like a Tutawa Syntex tank right in, where that jali is in Lendo Bazaar, no? Up on your right. So it was monsoon filled with water. A couple of monkeys were like looking in and seeing their reflection and doing the usual. This is my territory, what are you doing here, kind of thing, But there was this one guy, damn smart fellow, he figured it out, okay? So he jumped in, okay? And you all you saw was like this splash, splash, and he would come up on this side to go, and he'd like shake his hair, and all this water would go. And all the other monkeys were like, freaking out looking at this guy. And he'd be like, hey! He was damn happy. He jumped in again, and he'd be like splashing. And he'd come up on the side again. And the other monkeys were just freaking out, man. They were just like looking at this monkey. That was just amazing. There's one monkey, this huge tribe of monkeys that figured out that andar ghuske, I can take a little thoda nana and come back out, एकदम beautiful,